Hello everyone. It's Anna with Pink Monarch Prints, and I'm really excited. I get to make our intro video for our first kit of 2026. This is our January kit, and it's called Faded Coastline Collection. So in this kit, you're going to find a lot of greens and blues and some tans and ivories. It should give you a real beach house feel. So before we jump into the details of the kit, I just want to say hello and a huge thank you to each of you. Whether you're new here or you've been here from the very beginning, I have loved every minute of creating with you, and I hope you have as well. If you're new, just know that you're in the company of a lot of wonderful people who love creating and who love to cheer each other on. So let's go ahead and get into the kit. Many of you probably know this, but if you're new and you're interested in getting your hands on this wonderful digital kit, then there are two ways to do it. The first way is the money-saving way, and that is to go to our website and go ahead and subscribe. That's at pinkmonarchprints.com. And there are a couple of subscription offers, and you can cancel at any time. So don't let that be something that stops you from saving that money. And the second way to do it is you can go ahead and go to the Etsy shop and just buy it directly from our Etsy shop. And watch for a good sale. We like to have fun sales, and then you can get this kit and be able to save some money too. And since we like to have a lot of fun with our subscribers, just know that there are some extra bonuses that you get when you subscribe. So we have a lot of tutorials and inspiration on our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our other social medias, and you'll find a lot of really fun ideas there. We also have a Facebook group where you guys can participate. You can show what you make. People can post questions and get answers from each other. And often I even love going to the Facebook group and finding really fun ideas for future kits. Another fun thing we offer is we'll do freebies. We'll do freebies in our newsletters. We'll do freebies for our subscribers. We just like to try to make it really fun and keep you guys inspired and having a good time. So without further ado, here is January 2026 kit Faded Coastline Collection. Let's go ahead and start with our papers. You'll see as we're going along that we have a lot of neutrals in this kit. We have a lot of blues and greens. We have some more solid colors that are really great for layering. And of course we have the classics, your stripes, your houndstooth, your writing pages that are really great for layering as well, and some more detailed flowers, medallions, and some different motifs that I think you'll really love working with. Of course, we also have our double pages, so let's go through those. We have a cover, and then there are 5 different double pages. Now these are designed to make a 5x7 journal, and it's just a really great way to jumpstart a journal if this is the size you love. We also have a lot of really great envelopes in different shapes and sizes. We have some coin envelopes. We like to include lots of goodies that you can add to your envelopes. And don't forget the tags. I added a lot of tags in this kit, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. Here comes my favorite. I love these ones right here. Oh, so cute. We also have pockets, and I did some new designs this time, so I think you're really going to love these ones right here. So cute. And these are a little project that you can fold. So we also have a lot of extra tidbits and mini projects. We have a mini waterfall, and we also have some layered pockets and our circle pockets and our very, very popular hidden paper clips. This is a project that everyone loves, and it's always a huge hit with everyone. I feel like every kit needs some fussy cuts, some cute words, and some tiny little images. So, of course, we have some wonderful words for you to work with. We did smaller ones this time. Some small, tiny layering pieces, and of course, the fussy cuts with some really fun and different images. We also have a lot of journaling cards and some ephemera. These circles are fun to work with. We've got some ephemera, and these journaling cards are great for either pockets or just using to journal on. There are just a lot of options with this kit. So anyway, we hope you love the Faded Coastline collection, and we hope you'll go ahead and check it out. Remember, I'll place all those links down below, and I hope you will love it. We'll talk to you later. Bye.